Mentah kalai terik urampang arhajar arpulai ke sengsain perthai National People's Party kelepelai ya Thup kimat election arhajar arpulai ha kejingelang kabladon lang President Conrad ki sangma ki Vice President ba Prestun Tensong uba singaw bahalang dhar bat ki wei kinong yalam ke NPP. Kani ka Thup kimat election ka day ka thong jong ka party ban pen orlong ha kini ki sansnem jong ka samoy arhajar arpulai hadu arhajar arpupra.
General election 2023 of this year. So this is a token that all candidates from JNPS are giving you as the constituency when Meghalaya Honorable. Only party named the manifesto with the People's Documentation 2023. Thank you so much, sir.
Ông Hana, barang yok ayah kabor, kaya Pyllait, kin scrap yang MOU, jom ke NPP, kapag sign, baru chief minister jom ke Assam, betul? Kau di MCA, balai people, yang ada manifesto, hatau mana autonomi. Pyllait mengendari, Pyllait dia kami saya, Pyllait dia kami saya kami syukur. Kan bawang itai ada mamatang sekali. Kemukul wajib pemilih deskap, bangun kau itu sekali. Dengan orang pingin itu, dia dapat parti lawan nama sekali. Kapag ngitray kolong, bagi dekan stop yang ada problem. Hapden kam Meghalaya batasam, nakam di West. Politics never run after money, because if you run after position, and if you run after money, you will make the wrong decisions in political life. If you want to be in politics, you work committedly for the people and keep the people in front. It is the people of the state who will give you the position. It is the people of the state who will help you to take things forward. And therefore, in every decision that you take, always keep the people first, is what late Iaka had taught us. And it is this principle based on which we have been working in the last 5 years to take our state forward. And that is why, in spite of the numerous challenges we faced, we have been able to survive. We have been able to move forward. Critics had almost written off this government, saying that it is an ad hoc government which will last for a few months. But we proved every critic wrong. And we were able to do that because of the blessings from above and because of the blessings from each and everyone who is present out here.